Okay, there we go. Connection issues with the GoPro 7. I don't know why I record this, but maybe that you can feel with me or what. So I'm trying to connect my phone to the camera, and all I get is this, starting preview. Okay, so let's go to settings. The camera name is my gig user, the network, and it's connected. So next step. Waiting. How long do you wait? I mean, this thing acts as if I have all day, right? So how long can it take to connect this stupid thing? Alright, error message. That seems to be an issue. Ha ha ha. Great. So, okay, let's do this. Take this to the side. I'm gonna start my camera here. And I videotape what I do on that camera. You can see here it's running. And then I go down here to preferences and we are going to check if the connection setting is on. Wireless connection on. Connected device, GoPro. And now it comes with stupid stuff like install the app and say, I have the app installed. Jeez. Okay, so click, preview, wait. So while it waits, we're going to check on the Wi-Fi if it's still connected. Yep, it's all good. We are connected. Starting preview. What else can we do here? We can kill the app. I turn Wi-Fi off on the phone. Turn it back on. It finds all kinds of networks. And it connects back to the camera network. Wonderful. Camera here. There it is. Starting preview and wait. I mean, I try to do this as fast as possible, but I have to wait. I need this thing now, right now, this minute, and what happens? Shit doesn't work. Alright, I'm filming the camera again, so what can you do there? I go back and it says pairing has stopped. So it was obviously not finished pairing. Bluetooth device? Connect to a Bluetooth device. Okay, we should be connected through Bluetooth. Okay, here, hold on a second. Here, the wireless is still connected. Bluetooth. Well, not connected, so now we click on that. GoPro 4750. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Connected. Ha! So it's connected to Bluetooth. Now it works. Let's see. So connection issues pop up. Starting preview. It's gonna work. Or not. I mean, we are like playing around here for 3 minutes already. And nothing has happened. Thank you much, GoPro. This is like worse than the hourglass stuff. The ball of death or whatever on the Mac or the hourglass in Windows. The problem is that I need this thing now. Now where I need it, it doesn't work. I mean, what do you do? This stupid thing again. Okay, so what else? What other options do we have here? GoPro App. Let's try this again. I mean, it has a Bluetooth thing now and everything, so there seems to be an issue, really. Try again. This is the button you can push. And what happens? Nothing. Look at that. It takes forever. By now we are 4 minutes into the game and still no video. I mean, why do they make even an app for this? I mean, this is just so unreliable. This is crazy. So, I'm going to film the camera again here. What is my next step? I mean, how much more can you do to this thing?
It doesn't matter what the fuck you do, it does not work.
Okay, so we can do a reset on the camera. Full reset. Factory reset, there. And then it says blah blah, do you want, are you sure? What the F, I have no choice, right? I want this to work, I need this now, and then I have to wait for the stupid reset. So now this thing is going to...
Well, I have to start over.
it's just now resetting and sleeping, and then it turns on its own, or what? Or do I have to push a button? Just give me a second here. So far we are more than 5 minutes into the game, and we just lost 5 minutes of our lives. Plus everybody who is watching here, I don't know if this does anything to you. Maybe you see the struggle and save yourself from struggling when this happens. So you pull this reset immediately when you see it doesn't connect. But what if it would have connected after the second try? You know? So now the camera is resetted. Let's see what that does. Bluetooth pairing request. Well, that's something. Wants to join the network. Okay. You see my camera name is MyGigUser, right? And now it changes to some number. So the camera obviously forgot its name. So I have to set that again. Thank you very much. So even more typing there. Alright. And now the picture is upside down. I mean, okay, so the camera is mounted upside down. It was working before the reset. So let's see the settings here. Okay. Where is it? Landscape lock off. Alright, so I wanted to have the LEDs off. That was one of the things I looked first for. And the beep. What else? Beep is high. I want the thing low, not mute. Beeps low. There. And then we go. So, alright. So it's upside down. Maybe I have to do this later. There, when you start recording, then it's the right way. Alright, oh my god. I mean, see, look at this. 7 minutes. That's how long it took to make this thing work. Are you kidding me?